Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I would like to discuss about how to source resumes or profiles using custom search engine. So there would be so many questions in your mind like why should I use this portal? There are so many job portals and social media applications like LinkedIn. How different it is from regular portals, how different it is from Google search or a X-ray search or a Boolean search that I do, right? So I would give you a small example. With that, I will take you through how this search engine works. For example, you are sourcing profiles for a specific job role, and hiring manager has couple of requirements like you need to source profiles from a top tier colleges and diversity profiles, or hiring manager is looking for the candidates who are actively looking for a change. So in this case, recruiter would go back, invest time, as well as do research to identify top list of colleges and search different portals to identify actively looking for change candidates. So to make it easy, I have created this custom search engine which would give quality results with simple search queries covering most of the edge cases. So let's see how it works. By using this custom search engine, I would demonstrate two examples: title search and skill search. In title search, I would take example of software development engineer. This would give all results similar to Google general search irrespective of any location. So you can see all the results here. And how it is different from general Google search, right? There are multiple filters here. One is location, which is India. Diversity, if you are looking for gender diversity candidate, you can select this filter. If you are looking for top tier colleges, you can click here. If you need candidates who are actively looking for job change, click on this particular filter. And if you are sourcing from specific website like about.me, you can get it from here. Let's see how it works. So let's click on diversity. If you click on diversity, you can see multiple results, like women who are software development engineers. Let's take top colleges. If you click on top colleges, you would get multiple results where candidates from IIT, IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi, IIT Kanpur, BITS Pilani, and so on and so forth, NIT. So let's see job seekers on LinkedIn. So here you can get the details, like there's one candidate who is serving notice period, is like software development engineer. You can reach out to this guy. There is a possibility that he would respond to your email immediately. There are multiple results of that sort. So let's see job seekers on about me. There is one candidate. So whoever uses this option like hire me, those candidates would or might be looking for a change. So you can use this option also. Let's go to the second example of job title search. Let's see a combination of skills and a job title. For example, software development engineer in test. It has a combination of software development engineer skill set at the same time testing skill set. So let's select test and and test cases and automation and Selenium. Pick your, so you would get all the results with all the skill set mentioned. If you need top tier colleges candidates, you can select this one. So let's see combination of it. Software development engineer who has this particular skill set. So there is a candidate whose job title is software engineer, but he has worked on all the skill set mentioned. So these kind of filters would help you to get quality results by writing simple queries. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much and all the best.